Oko urujeri enyewe nyanara na hiko ijemi Sister Sarah Omoigie Jesus Baby the Unbeatable Gospel Praise Band owe erian ipope mo wari obo imi dare la o sister me la o wo nujeri owe me mami audio and video nuwe mula diana jeri eba me o
Yesu
Eriono, meno de Eriana, ni me was where egbe mi na mani luwe mejo pa ya we my say bye.
Wa go amenya me ya fie. Wala no sa so be ye ye pe o. E mama ni ya te mama tame. Mama do o sa ye ya ti o wala re. Wa go amenya me ya fie.
Eriono do de boire, Erian ipopo mo latest gospel music. No wareni we here in here. You know Sister Sarah Omoigie and her Unbeatable Gospel Praise Band, aka Jesus Baby. Ona be here you were Prince Clement Ogie Ombonomo. Bege brother Edobo one. Oko warule la city shop no take we say when ari enwe. When we tell mote warule boeni age Bright Altar International Nigeria Limited. The Lord is my rock. We 114 Sokomba Road on the secondary circular road junction with Benin City. Why you with Franco this with 41 New Lagos Road, when you Benin City. Kevido Agbes International Company Nigeria Limited. Parliament Audio and Video Production. The number 2 Nosayaba Street with New Benin City.